Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be discussing 25 small business ideas for teenagers. Make sure you guys listen up closely and see what fits you better and your talents or whatever you like to do. All right, you guys, so we're going to start with number one. Number one is an offline small business idea, which is babysitting. And it's very low cost effective. And then we're gonna go into number two, which is a hand car wash. This one is also offline and very, very cost effective. Number three is going to be designing or building websites. So if you're somebody who has skills and basic skills in doing websites and things like that, you can definitely turn this into a business. It can turn into a six-figure business if you're serious about it. Number four is a handmade crochet business. So if you're one of those people who have crochet skills or you're willing to learn, this is definitely a good one. You could do crochet stuffed animals for kids. You could do crochet blankets, crochet hats. Some people even do crochet shirts and things like that. I mean, I think that takes a long time, but if you have those type of skills, it should be quick for you. Number five is going to be handmade phone cases. So handmade phone cases are you could do customized cases, put people's pictures, whatever pictures they want you to put on it, do their name on it. You could put little sequins or, decorate it with the glue. People, I don't know how they be doing that, but they do it with the glue. It's just a talent. It's something that you have to be passionate about. And if you are, handmade phone cases. Number six is a handmade jewelry business. This one I see a lot. I see so many teens doing this one. It could be a bracelet jewelry business, earrings. I see people hand make earrings, necklaces, extremely low cost effective, and it's not going to take up a lot of space in your house, or you're probably living with your mom still. It's not going to take up a lot of space in your room. Number seven is a handmade lip gloss business. This is also another one that I see a lot. This one will not take up a lot of space inside of your mom's house, and you do not have to spend a lot of money to start this up. Number eight is a handmade keychain business. This one's really cool. A lot of people, I see them do custom names on the keychain. Some people do custom, they do acrylic. I don't know how in the world they do that thing. They have the acrylic thingy, and then they put the liquid, and then they put things in the keychains. It's a talent. If you have that type of a talent, handmade keychain business. Number nine is going to be a YouTube channel. So that's definitely a good one. This one can make you loads of money, low cost. All you need is a phone. Literally just need a phone, a stand. That's about it. And you need yourself, and you need some, some entertainment, something that you have going on. If it's, I don't know, a lot of people do beauty YouTubes and just whatever fits you, you feel you're passionate about, you can make a lot of content about, go ahead and start a YouTube channel. Number 10 is a social media influencer. So if you're one of those people who loves taking pictures, you be taking pictures all the time, you're a teen, you need to go ahead and get on Instagram, become a social media influencer. A lot of influencers get paid good money for just taking pictures. A lot of brands reach out to them, they send them a product, and then the person takes pics, they send them money. They make good money from doing that. So social media influencer. Number 11 is a blogger. Some people don't even know what bloggers are. Bloggers, they pretty much write a bunch of blog posts on the internet. That's how a lot of businesses actually get a lot of traction, from blog posts. People will basically pay you to put their ads on your blog post if it's getting visitors, if it's getting a good amount of visitors to it. So if you become a blogger, you can make six figures from that for sure. Number 12 is selling online digital products. So online digital products could be ebooks or online courses or different things, whatever you have that could be a digital product. Number 13 is going to be graphic design, which means you could be offering to do people's logos. You can offer to do people's website banners, website art, whatever you're good at. If that's one of the things you're good at. Graphic design does not take money. Basically you just need a laptop or a phone. Some people do it from their iPad. So then number 14 is a handmade stationery business. So this could be greeting cards, or It could be stickers. I see so many people do the handmade stickers. They do really well with them. They just like, I guess, customize the stickers, make ones up, and people love them. And it does not take up a lot of space in the house. Number 15 is going to be handmade candy or handmade baked goods. These can be shipped depending on what kind of baked goods you're trying to do. You just have to do your own research about that, but that is definitely if you're one of these people that knows how to bake, you're really into that type of stuff. Number 16 is going to be handmade skincare and handmade body care. This could be like turmeric face wash, turmeric soap, or ginger, honey, whatever type of things that you're into. You can literally go really far with this because you can have all kinds of different inventory from your homemade skincare products. You just have to do a lot of research and know what you're doing, because you don't just want to be giving people poison that's gonna, like, you know, damage their skin. You have to make sure you're doing your research, figure out what is going to help. If you want to help somebody with their eczema, if you want to help somebody with like dry skin or whatever, acne, you got to do your research. Number 17 is going to be handmade candles. I see people do the cutest handmade candles. Like, they be really customizing those things. And the thing is, you can go to like literally Hobby Lobby, get some candle molds. Like, I see it all the time. Literally, you can go to Hobby Lobby for the soap molds, all that type of stuff. Hobby Lobby, y'all, just remember that, okay? That's just a tip I'm throwing in there. Number 18, this one's a little different, y'all, but I've seen people do it. It's a virtual thrift. So like a virtual thrift, like clothing thrift or whatever. A virtual clothing thrift, handbags, whatever, like you find at the thrift store, and you feel like you could resell it. But like, get good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Don't just like pick up everything you see. You have to go through, literally, you probably have to dig a lot and then find like good pieces, name brand pieces, and resell them. People have literally gone so far from this. I don't know if you guys ever watched Dubai Bling, but there's this one guy on there. I think his name is Muhammad. And he started off, but now he's like multi-millionaire, a lot of money. He would go to the thrift shop and buy like clothes, and then he would resell them, find like brands and stuff like that. And he started from there, and then he started his own coffee shop and everything like that. And now he owns multiple coffee shops. So you got to start from somewhere. Number 19 is a Tshirt Designer, or like custom t-shirts, whatever you want to offer. You can offer to put people's pictures on it, their business logo, whatever. Number 20 is what I do. It's an online boutique. You can sell whatever you want in your boutique. Me personally, I sell dresses. I have handbags. I have jewelry, sunglasses. I have all kinds of things in my boutique. You can start whatever kind of boutique you want, a handbag boutique, a clothing boutique. Number 21 is going to be a hat designing business. So if you're passionate about hats, you love hats, turn that passion into 6 figures, okay? If you love to, like, I don't know, alter things, decorate things, just start practicing. Just start something. You can even offer customized hats, like the shirts. You can do customized hats. Number 22 is a handmade art painting business. So handmade art or painting business, because you could do like handmade paintings, or you could do like art that you build with your hands, or, you know, some people do some really cool things that you can hang on their wall. It's not necessarily a painting, but it's art. So number 23, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Fiverr, but you could definitely offer services on Fiverr, whether you're good at writing essays, you're good at like whatever. You can put all of your services on Fiverr and just put a bunch of things into one. And that is definitely something that can make you some good money from home as a teen. Number 24, custom party favors. I don't know if you guys have ever seen those people do like those custom chip bags, custom water bottles, custom like candy, whatever the people want in their custom party favors. Number 25 is a mobile photography business. You can literally do this on your phone. You don't need to go out buying an expensive camera. You could offer your services to people if you have good skills with catching good pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you took anything away from the video, hopefully you guys at least took one thing away that you feel like, okay, I could probably try this out. Just try it out, start it, just see if it works for you, and just keep on going.